Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS. Welcome to class. We are going to learn chapter 3, Clothes for Us. Chapter 3, Clothes for Us on page 12. On page 12. Okay? Children, can you open page 12? Clothes for us. We wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Children, page number 12. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They any cotton clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We wear a raincoat to protect us from the rain. It keeps us dry. We wear a uniform to school. Uniform to school. People in different parts of our country wear different kinds of dresses. People in different countries of the world also wear different kinds of dresses. See the pictures on page 12. Now, page 13. Just as you wear a school uniform, there are others who wear a uniform too. Doctors, nurses, factory workers, and people in the police wear uniforms. I repeat, doctors, nurses, factory workers, and people in the police wear uniforms. School children also. Write the names of two more groups which wear uniforms. See, in school, I wear a uniform. You have to fill up. Uniform. 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 In bed, yani when you go to sleep, I wear a night suit. NIGHT. Night. SUIT suit. Night suit in bed when you go to sleep. At a party, I wear a party dress. Party dress I wear. PARTY, party. At a party, I wear a party dress. PARTY DRESS, dress. DRESS or SS. Okay? Uniform, night suit, party dress. Now you see, cloth for us. Cotton. 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 We get cotton from plants. Look at the picture on the right side. Cotton grows in pots. The pots are picked and thread is made from the cotton. Making thread from cotton is called spinning. This thread is made into cloth on a loom. See the lady down. The picture below, that is spinning. That is a loom. Making cloth from thread is called weaving. You see that white thing on the right side, that is cotton. And the lady in the picture, she is having a spinning loom. She's making cloth. That is called weaving. In India, many people wear clothes made of khadi. It is a kind of cloth made from cotton. The khadi is cotton cloth. The cotton thread is spun upon a charka. Charka is the machine. People all over the world wear khadi. Gandhiji wove his own cloth on the charka. Look at the monkey. Monkey is telling, human beings are the only creatures who wear clothes. Human beings, only people wear clothes, no animals. Do you dress up your pet sometimes? Sometimes for fun, we dress up the pet we have at home, sometimes. Go to page number 14. Wool. The thick hair that grows on the body of a sheep is called wool. We get wool from the sheep. This hair is cleaned and made into woolen thread. Wool is used to knit sweaters, caps, and socks. So we get wool from sheep. Second picture is silkworm on a mulberry leaf. Silkworm. See, we get silk from silkworm. We get silk from the silkworm. The silkworm feeds on the leaves of the mulberry plant. Silkworm eats mulberry plant. It gives out a long, sticky thread from its mouth. This thread is wrapped all around its body and becomes the home of the silkworm. The home of the silkworm is called a cocoon. The threads from the cocoon are woven to make silk cloth. Meet these people. A weaver weaves cotton, wool, or silk thread into cloth on a loom. Weaver. A tailor. Weaver is on the right side, the picture. The right side picture, you see the two men, with a man with a white cap and the other man. They are weaving. But on the left side is a tailor who stitches clothes. A tailor stitches different kinds of clothes from cotton, wool, or silk. Okay, children? Now I am going to explain you the lesson, page number 12. Look at this. Look at this picture. Clothes for us. Next, we wear clothes to cover our body. You know why we wear clothes? To cover our body. You see, we wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. What kind of clothes? Now it is summer. They yani cotton clothes. Cotton clothes make us cool, keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. So now we are wearing cotton clothes because it is summer. It is very hot now. See, we wear woolen clothes in winter. In winter, when it is very, very cold, you wear jacket, cap, gloves, all these things. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We wear a raincoat to protect us from the rain. It keeps us dry. When it is raining, you wear a raincoat or you use an umbrella. You put on a hat, sometimes gloves, and sometimes boots for the rain. There are special boots for the rain. So you wear special boots, you use a raincoat or an umbrella when it is raining. It will keep us dry. Now, we wear a uniform to school. We wear a uniform to school. When you go to school, you wear a uniform. These are others who wear a uniform too. Okay? All these people wear uniform. People in different countries wear different kinds of dresses that you know. This is India. I don't know, it's different countries. Different countries, people wear different kinds of dresses. Okay, children, you have understood now. Okay, then one more thing. We get cotton from We get cotton from cotton plants. Okay? Next, you have to remember, we get wool from sheep. Page number 14. We get wool from sheep. Then we get silk from the silkworm. A tailor stitches clothes for us. Okay? Children, hope you have understood. Hope you have understood. This is lesson number 3.